Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Terrick DeJonge, and today I'm going to show you how to attack in Clash of Clans Town Hall 6. You know, it's not really a good Town Hall to attack with, but you know, let's try it. Let's get started. Alright, let me open up my Clash of Clans app, you know what I'm saying? I have to do it. Alright, we're gonna go to this. Oh yeah. See, my barracks are level 8, you already know. We're only gonna attack with giants and wizards. Giant wizard attack, you know what I'm saying? This is my base, kind of trashy, but it's alright. Let's get into the attack. This base, yeah, nah. Let's go on to the next one. Next one sounds really good. Ah, this base is trash. I like trashy bases because I always win. Put an archer there. Distract that, and then we're just put the giants right on the corner. This would be great. A couple wizards behind though. Surprisingly, I don't know why I only have 14 wizards. Should have more than that. Should take down the giants. You know what I'm saying? Yep, and then wizards are gonna go around, take out the elixirs. Giants are gonna go take down defense. So they'll be defensiveless, whatever we can call it. So they can't kill my troops. I'm a really bad Clash of Clans Fortnite player, but I try my best. Yup. That's the last defense, and then we're all good. We win. Take down the Town Hall, get a star. 80% damage on the base so far. That's pretty good. Now I believe I'm gonna get a 3-star. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Just got one more building and then it's a 3-star. Oh no, there's a building in the top corner. What? All right, that scared me. I thought I was like, what? Glitch out or something? Yep, and that's gonna be it for that base. So that's the tutorial of how to attack on a Town Hall 6. That's it for this video. I might be posting more, you know what I'm saying, but it's last school, I don't give a frick. You already know. Deuces.